Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, this is inspired by Maria Artistry on Instagram. I'll throw up the original picture that I saw here. So if you want to see how I created this, just keep on watching. So this is the final look. This is how it finally turned out. I absolutely love this. I think though that I would have to practice a little bit more. I think this eye turned out a lot better than this one. With this one, I feel like the dots are not circular enough. They kind of just started getting a bit splodgy rather than these ones which look a little bit more like dots. We refer back to the original art. You can see that the dots as well are kind of like some big ones, you've got some little ones. I'm not too sure if she used a brush or if she used like the bottom of an actual brush either. I'm not too sure, but I just used what I thought would be correct. But I think if I was to do it again, I'd probably use Q-tips, which are some of them which are pointy, or use like the bottom of some brushes. I'd probably use a very pointed small brush as well, so I can create different sizes and try and control dots, circles more, like try and keep them all a bit more circular, because some of these just started to go like turn into ovals, as you can probably see. But overall, I think for the first time trying it, I think they came out really good. Also, just to keep in mind, if you are going to recreate this, what I found was that after I applied my foundation, it made sense to me for me to do my contour as well. So that's exactly what I did. I did my foundation, then I did my nose and cheek contour, and I also put on a little bit of blush as well. And if you're going to do highlight, do highlight. As you can see, I've only done some highlight down the center of my nose, but not on my cheekbones. But that's just what made sense for me to do, rather than having to blend out contour along, especially along the side of my nose, and try to avoid touching the dots. Like that could have just been a mess. So if you just do it before you go into applying the dots, then I think that will just make a little bit more sense. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.